Experiencing a chirping, static, or crackling sound in your left AirPod Pro 3? You're not alone. These issues often stem from a poor ear seal, software glitches, or hardware wear. We'll walk through practical fixes. First, try resetting and repairing your AirPods by holding the setup button on the case for 15 seconds. Next, thoroughly clean the speaker mesh and ear tips to remove any earwax or debris. Make sure you are using the latest firmware. This has been shown to fix static by up to 40%. Use the ear tip fit test in settings to ensure a tight seal. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issues, start with advanced fixes. First, rule out electromagnetic interference by moving away from Wi-Fi routers or other electronic devices that can cause static or chirp in the left earbud. Sometimes a firmware update can resolve these issues by improving Bluetooth stability and reducing interference-related problems. User forums report increases in chirp complaints, potentially linked to the thinner designs in newer models that may affect durability. If issues persist despite these efforts, it could indicate a hardware defect, such as a micro crack in the driver membrane of the left earbud. In such cases, contact Apple support for a warranty replacement, especially if your device is less than a year old. If there are any physical cracks or defects, this can often be the reason for the issues. There isn't much you can do other than sending them in for repair.